Hi, it's Joan. Here's the September challenge hand. This hand was given to me by Matt Smith. Matt Smith is a young professional bridge player living in Sydney. He's very involved with youth bridge and he's also making a very big impact on the local and also international scene. He's beginning to win a lot of tournaments. I'm also happy that Matt is working with me to add some hands to the online school of bridge. So on this hand, you'd open one no trump. You've got a 4, 4, 3, 2, 16 high card point hand, balanced, and partner goes to 3 no trumps, so you're declaring. Let's work this out. They lead the king of hearts. Let's make our plan. Our absolutely definite winners are 1 in hearts, 2 in spades, 1 in clubs, and 3 in diamonds. That's 7. We need to develop 2 more. The diamond suit, where we've got 9 cards between our 2 hands, should produce the extra tricks. So when we actually need to consider the order of play, can we think of anything that could go wrong on the hand? If we win the ace of hearts straight away and start to play diamonds, there'll be a problem. What's the problem? It's the fact that the diamond suit will block. So let's try it the wrong way first. We'll win the ace of hearts. And let's try playing diamonds. We'll play the 2 of diamonds over to the king. Now the queen of diamonds. Now the 7 of diamonds. The diamonds broke 3-1. Over to the ace. And now we've actually got 2 winners in the north hand and 1 winner in the south hand. But when we play the 4 of diamonds over to the 6, we're stuck. We had to win the 6 of diamonds. So how to get over to the north hand now? Let's try a club, hoping that the club king is on our left. Play the queen. It lost to the king. They're playing hearts back. And we've actually got no play for this contract. We won't make 9 tricks anymore. So let's think a bit more deeply about this hand. They've led a heart. This time, let's not take the first heart trick. We'll duck it. Play the 2. They lead another heart. Duck it again. Play the 3. And now we have to win the next heart, so win the ace. And we're going to discard from the south hand. Now, the card to discard is a diamond, the 7 or the 6. Doesn't matter which one. We get rid of that diamond, which was rather good, because now we can play diamonds for 5 tricks. We play the 2 over to the king. Now the queen of diamonds. And the 7 over to the ace. And we're over there to enjoy the 5 and the 4. Discard a club and discard another club. And now we've got 2 aces, the ace of spades, the ace of clubs, and the king of spades that we can win. And we've made 9 tricks. So let's look at the difference between the first time we played it and this time. When we won the ace of hearts first, and we sort of thought we'd be able to take 5 diamond tricks, the fact that south had king, queen, 7, 6, and we had ace, 5, 4, 3, 2, that was a worry because the suit was going to block and we were going to be stuck in the south hand, unable to get to the 5th diamond. So the solution was to not take the first heart, not take the second heart, but take the 3rd heart and discard it, a blocking diamond card. Now we had no worries because we could make 5 diamond winners. September's going to be partnership month on the online school of bridge. I'll be releasing 6 hands to bid with your partner, and then in each lesson I'll be going through the hands with suggested bidding and you can play them as well. If you join up your partner to the online school of bridge, we're offering you a discount too. So enjoy the month of September. And thanks, Matt, for the hand.